Good morning, everyone. And for today's product, we are going to see the evening moisturizer alone because I think when it comes to starting a skincare routine, the very first step is obviously removing the makeup at night. That's the first step. And then second thing is obviously washing with a cleanser of your type, and then moisturizing it because when you sleep you have your skin has more time for it to repair, because the whole day we are going to drink water and hydrate our body. So this is another way of hydrating your skin cells and repairing it while you are in sleep, because that time the we are not doing any other work though, so the body can work to repair itself. So that's why we keep insisting on washing the face at night and also moisturizing it, because the more you have moisture in your skin, it's going to help the reduction of new wrinkles forming, or it's also going to help having a healthy skin back, because it has more time for it to soak in, because there is no external disturbances like sunlight or free radicals or anything. So that's why moisturizing at night is your first step. So if you are grabbing a skincare even as a starter kit, like I mean you are just now starting, then make sure you grab a cleanser of your skin type and nighttime moisturizer. So that's what we are going to talk about today. As I mentioned, these are thicker than the day formula, because the day formula comes in an airless pump. These are much thicker consistency, that's why they come in a tub, and these have extra Senaplex complex in them. So that is why you're going to get more anti-aging benefits by using the nighttime skincare, because that's why the formula has been made to be a little thicker consistency, because it's going to this will be almost at the end of the step. So it's going to work on more of a skin level, and also being having the Senaplex complex, it's going to help having a newer healthy skin cells, because that's when you are going to have like a what to say, like a youthful appearance, because having newer cells is going to make them stay plumpier, and that way you will have like a nice healthy protected skin. As you know, we do carry four different types. This one is normal to oily, we have normal to dry, and we have dry, and we have the oily to acne one. So the oily to acne one alone, all three of cleanser, daytime and nighttime, all three comes in the pump. So that's the main difference when compared to the other lines. But other than that, all the formulas have the ingredients specific to the type, because you cannot treat all skin type at the same level. You need a different type of ingredients for each one. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So let's go with our handy dandy beauty book to go with it. So for example, if you see the normal to dry line, it says it has avocado oil in it, which is the rich moisturizer. So that's the first one, and it says vitamin E, which is an essential antioxidant for maintaining a healthy skin. So that's the first one for normal to dry. When it comes to dry, it says amino acids, which are supports healthy looking skin, and the same way you have ginger root to protect the skin, and again they have vitamin E for the antioxidant to maintain the skin. So sometimes if you are someone who has who is been using normal to dry line, and for winter if you need more moisturization, and if you think you will have flaky skin or something, you can obviously switch to a dry nighttime evening skincare, evening moisturizer. So you can always mix and match them for even more if you think you need more moisturization at the night. So it's not going to hurt to having a daytime moisturizer with normal to dry and the nighttime moisturizer with dry. These are very flexible, so you can do anything. And when it comes to normal to oily line, it says the Boroga seed oil, which helps even the appearance of skin tone. So that is another thing we always talk about. See, even if you have normal to oily line, you still need moisture, because when you don't give enough moisture to the skin, that's when the skin cells start producing, because it thinks that you are drying, your skin is drying. So what they do is they produce excess oil. So that's why if you put the right moisture in, and after few weeks, slowly the skin will start to adjust to it, and they stop producing those excess oils. So again, normal to oily line evening moisturizer has the vitamin E to maintain the antioxidant for maintaining the healthy skin. When it comes to the oily to acne line, it has salicylic acid, because I think people who have used acne line knows it best. Even the prescription drugs will have the salicylic acid, but the salicylic acid always dries out the skin. So if you see, salicylic acid will help clear the pores, because that is first thing when you break out. Because even with the CCTM or foundation, we talk about it all the time, including our primer, because they have to be non-comedogenic. That means it should not clog your pores. Anytime when you have a molecular size that is bigger, then they will start clogging your pores and you will start breaking out. So that's why it's important to pick products that is non-comedogenic, and that way you don't break out by using them. So here the salicylic acid is going to clean the pores, so that way it will start slowing down the acne spreading. So then it has willow bark, which helps control oil and sebum. So that is another one. So when you have excess oil, that will going to either turn into blackheads, or it going to clog the pores. So that is again going to help reducing the oil production. And it also has something called hydromenal complex, which is hydrating blend from the seed of Tara tree. So that is what I was talking about. So when you use a product like salicylic acid or even vitamin A in our retinol, these have the tendency to dry out the skin. As you all know, when I had acne, when you use the prescription drug, obviously you will start having what is like skin peels. That's how it treats. So here we in retinol, and also here they have included products that is going to moisturize at the same time, instead of just drying out. So that is the difference it makes from the other product to Senegen's line. All the evening moisturizers are going to repair, rejuvenate and protect the skin, because that is the reason they have Senaplex complex in every product in there. It's a kinetic enzyme that's going to help give the skin cells a push, because I know we always talk about having the skin cell from plumpier grapes to turning into a raisin and then cornflakes. So if you need plumpier cells, then you need to have the skin cells to be healthy and also hydrated and what is it, like plumpier. Then only you will have that what is it, like healthy looking benefits to the skin. Otherwise you won't have that bounciness. You need it to be firm. So it Senaplex complex is going to give that extra push, and also it's going to do it in every skin level. So when you talk about moisturizers or even any skincare, the molecular weight, the molecular size, all these comes into matters. Because if you have a product that says it does so many things, but if the molecular size is bigger, then it's not going to penetrate deeper into skin cells at all. So it's going to stay on top, and you will not going to have that much benefits at all. For example, it also applies to active ingredients. So when the ingredient reaches the customer, it has to be active. That's when you will start seeing the results. When it can be a vitamin C, vitamin A, E, anything it can be, but it has to be active to give the maximum benefits out of it. So just that if the label says that it has something, that doesn't mean it's going to give the benefits of it. So that is why Senegens has designed it in the products in such a way that they know which and all has to go and penetrate deeper to cellular level and address it. So these are like a little bigger molecules in a thicker consistency, so they are not going to go deeper level. That's why if you see the order of the products, these will be at the almost end of the line. So if you see the Senegen's book, the smaller molecule starts here, whereas the evening creams and all comes almost at the end. Either the day cream or the evening cream comes in almost before the end of the step. So the farther down you will just add the collagen night pack, because there it's going to seal down all the moisture whatever you have put in like a veil. That way it's not affected with pillow when it comes contact with any other thing. So if you are looking to start with skincare, then even start with just a cleanser and the evening moisturizer, and do it 8 weeks like a regimen. Like don't even skip a day. If you are feeling tired or if you are feeling grumpy, take that 1 minute and do it as your own me time. I always tell my customers that's it. Like, I mean, don't wait until you crash to bed. You can even do it even whether it's 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock, doesn't matter. Do it whenever you can. It's better than not doing it, so it's not going to hurt you at all. So make sure you wash your face clean. You make sure you take time to wash it, take out your makeup and wash it clearly, and then do the evening moisturizer. So even if you are not doing 10 different steps, just by including these small steps will make a huge difference. So hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day.